Hello, Tisha. Happy New Year. How are you? Okay, your mommy sent me this question that I should kindly provide a solution to it. So I hope you can hear me. So this is the diagram you gave me. So I think this one is 1428. It's a parallelogram. This is coordinate for B 1121. This one is your coordinate for C for D. So we should find the coordinate for D. Then this is for C for 6 and 24. So one thing you must know is that this is the length here. This length here is for y axis. That is you can see I wrote it down here. Your B minus 1428, and your A was given as well, and we don't have D, and we have A as minus 1121. So the distance between this A and B, that's the height, is, look at it, from here, trace it to the y-axis, and from here again, trace it to the y-axis. So the distance between here, where you have this 28 on the y, and 21, will also be the same distance between this one, C, to the y here, and D to the y. So I also get my distance AB. See my distance AB. Now distance AB, A to B on the y-axis. That's the height now. I know I wrote it as well. Vertical y is vertical y. That will be this distance y. Now this is your for coordinates. This is x and y. So this, take away this, will give me the distance between here and here. That's the distance. So it's like y2 minus y1. That was how you see 28 minus 21, and it gave me 7. So that 7 should be the same distance between here and also what? And also here. It should be 7. And what is that? We don't know. It is 24 minus the y. It will be 24 minus the y for the D. Can you see that? So 24 minus y should give me 7. So what do? I will do 24, move it here, becomes 7 minus 24. I have minus 17. So y equals 17. Minus y equals 17. Y equals 17. So we've gotten the y now on the vertical. So that is the y. So look at the next one for the x, distance BC. Look at it, let me show you. Distance BC, see this? From B to C, that is x. It's on the x horizontal because this distance now here, 14, that's minus 14 here, and this one, 6 here. So the distance between minus 14 and 6 will be 20. Why? This is 6 minus 14. This one was this one, 28 minus 21. So it should be 6 minus 14. That's the distance there. So that is what we have here. I have it as this distance BC horizontal x. So this is my B minus 14, 28. My C is 6 and 24. So the distance is, this is always the x1, y1, x2, y2. So to get the distance in the x direction, it's always the x2 minus the x1. X2. To get the distance in the y direction is the y2 minus the y1. But the y now, this is horizontal. We're not considering the horizontal. This is horizontal. So you can't use this and this for horizontal. You can only use the x-axis for horizontal. So now do 6, which is the x2, minus what? Minus 14. That will give us 20. So that will be the same thing too. I said it's horizontal between here and here. So we have to talk about these two x's. And that should give us the same distance between this minus 11 and whatever you have on the x-axis for the D. So that was what I have here. That was what I have. So So that was what that was what I have there, and I have. If you look at it, it is now 6 minus 20. Then here I don't know, it's x minus 7 should give me the same 20. So x minus 11 should give me the same 20. So x plus 11 because minus will give us 11. That's 20. Move the 11 here, that will give us 9. So the x is 9, and the y will be 17 as we got before. So please let me know if you understand. Thank you.